Yes, guys, it's bonfire night. Yes! Come on, guys, it's bonfire night. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah! Yeah, come on, come on, come on, it's bonfire night. Special, come on, boys. Yay! It's bonfire night. Yay! Finally, fireworks again. It's bonfire night. It's bonfire night. It's bonfire night. It's bonfire night. So guys, bonfire special, and I hope you did it, because it is. I am joined by my brother, and what we're gonna do, well, that's really it. We were gonna celebrate for you guys watching the video, but we were gonna just do Halloween special, really. Yeah. So really, we're gonna do that. Little cuddly toys my brother threw in. Finally, bonfire night, yes.
Yeah, I can't wait for next year.
Yeah. Christmas is the best time of the year.
Yeah, because you got presents.
Yeah.
You get whatever.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed that. So I hope you enjoyed the best special ever. It was
Amazing.
It was amazing, and I hope you can't wait for next year's bonfire night special. So I hope you joined the video. Clap, belly, clap, yay! So guys, you might be saying I'm holding an elf on the shelf. Well, really, this is my cuddly toy. It's called Belly Junior, and basically, yeah, he likes it too. Say hello, Belly. Oh, Auntie, please to you, boys and girls. I'm watching you. Well done, Belly. Finally said something in the camera. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and peace.